services from network dentists. You'll also get free yearly eye exams with free frames and prescription lenses. Now's the time to look at United Healthcare's variety of plans and let us help find the one that works best for you. Ask about PPO plans too. They let you see any doctor who accepts Medicare without a referral and pay in-network costs at home or travel when you see doctors in the United Healthcare Medicare National Network. Take advantage of $0 copays on hundreds of prescriptions, now with no deductibles on most of them. In fact, last year, our Medicare Advantage plan members saved an average of over $7,700. Enjoy a free gym membership too, with access to premium gyms nationwide. As always, you can count on United Healthcare to help you get the care you need when you need it. We can even help schedule appointments or find a specialist. Enrollment ends December 7th. Call United Healthcare or go online today. We make it easy to enroll too. Enjoy all the benefits of the only Medicare Advantage plans with the AARP name. Take advantage.